Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need a recent Mac OS and a working microphone. Make sure input is audible in sound settings. Now open the Apple menu and choose System Settings, then select Keyboard to start. Once done, look for Dictation or Voice Control options. This is where you enable speech features. You're beginning the setup so Mac OS can convert speech to text. This first step prepares permissions and system-level access for dictation to work reliably. Enable dictation by toggling the switch and select your preferred language and shortcut. Press once to start, again to stop. Make sure to enable enhanced dictation if you want offline, more accurate transcription. It downloads language files. Then, go to Privacy and Security and grant microphone access to the feature. Otherwise, dictation won't receive audio. Once set, test in Notes by pressing the shortcut and speaking a sentence. Watch for live text conversion to confirm it's working. Test dictation in Notes or text edit by using the shortcut and saying a sentence. Speak punctuation like period or comma so Mac OS inserts them. If recognition is off, adjust microphone input level in sound settings and retry. Make sure background noise is low. If problems persist, restart the target app or the Mac and re-grant microphone permission in Privacy and Security. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle dictation off and back on, then reboot. This often clears permission or audio routing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.